know?
Brown sugar, again, if it's organic, it has to be organic. Usually when it's stripped, it's white.
Mm-hmm.
So you got to try to find it where it's raw or.
What does organic really mean, actually?
Well, I would say organic is how it's grown. It's not chemically altered in any way. There's standards when it's grown, and it's just not altered again with any genetically modified at all. Fertilizers or anything like that. Just naturally grown in a state. It makes a difference. And the microwave food too. It's
Yeah, but organically basically means that it has no chemicals to make them grow or to preserve, to kill the bugs and things like that. Now, tell me about chocolate. What do you say about the raw chocolate?
I think it's great for you. It's one of the highest, most antioxidant, powerful foods you can eat.
Really?
Yeah, but the cacao, it's
The raw one.
The raw one. I mean, like again, I had a chocolate cake today before I came here with goji berries, and I'll be afraid to introduce you to it because you're probably going to be there every day. See, the problem is.
Sorry to interrupt.
Did you like
A few days ago, he brought something. I don't know if it's from Euphoria.
The chocolate?
It was chocolate.
No, that's from Crew.
Oh, it's from Crew.
I have never tasted anything.
Did you like it?
Before. Oh my gosh!
Do you like it compared with the others?
It's just there's no comparison. The flavor is so much fuller.
Yeah.
You can actually feel that it's good for you.
Yeah.
My mother, who's just getting into this whole. She lives in Minnesota right now. My sister, and. She called me on the phone because they just had a Natural Valley organic place. She goes, "Wow, I had one of the," because I'm telling her to get into organic. I just had one of the vegan chocolate cakes, and it was so good. And she's not even into all this stuff. So
Right.
I was fighting with my wife last night because we were going to go to the gym, saying, "Let's go, come on, let's go." No, we'll go to One, the grocery store, but maybe we'll get the cake. Like we had to and she was texting me pictures of the cakes, and it's like a weakness, because it's so good. But I didn't go last night, but I went today, so I made up for it. But yeah, the chocolates and the ice creams and all that is not bad for you,
And I have another question that is a subject that is not spoken but is very well known in the raw food movement. And tell me about it, if you don't mind, your sexual life. Did you notice an improvement or any difference?
I'd say yes. With the raw food, it puts you in this state where you're just energetic, where you enjoy my wife, where you just naturally feel good and you want to have sex. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
When you're feeling good about yourself, because it's the food and the chemicals that make you down or tired, and then the sunlight, I'd say it did improve, because it gets my circulation going when I eat the right foods.
Mm-hmm.
So, is that what you meant?
Exactly. Yeah, because I haven't seen people talking about that, and this is important.
Yeah.
It's part of what we are as human beings.
Yeah.
And I see that you go to the restaurant very often. Do you guys prepare raw food at home?
Our schedules are extremely busy, so here and there we do. It's mostly with almond butter, very simple stuff. But we juice a lot. But I'm continually trying to learn how to do it. It's just so convenient to go somewhere and have it made.
Right.
But that's definitely the economical way.
Of course.
But once you just get hooked on it, honestly, I try to find other restaurants and other combinations, but that one place in Santa Monica I think is one of the best.
In Juliana?
You could feel it, the Raw Revolution.
Yeah.
It's one of the best. it just makes you feel so good. It's almost like a drug, you know. It just,
I know that.
you know.
Yeah.